Hello, good morning everyone. Today is my 7th day of my 50 days workout challenge before my 50th birthday. So today what I'm going to do is a body weight workout, which is dips, which is developing your power of your pushing ability, upper body, which is working also your shoulder, triceps, chest. All right, let's go. 50 reps. I did 30. So there is also a modified dips. If you think you cannot do dips this way, sorry, I have to make it faster because my client came already. So if you cannot do a regular dips like this way, so you can do a modified dips, which is you can use, it's either bench or backs or whatever you think you can elevate yourself. So this is what I mentioned, is to use the modified dips if you're not able to do the normal dips, the hard one. Okay, something like this. Already did 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. But if you think this one is still hard for you, you can just put down your feet to the ground or to the floor and then keep going like this. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. But if you think still this one is hard for you, you can start only a dips workout to improve your modified dips, and later on you can do your proper dips workout. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like it, the workout for today. So today's thought is stronger mind, stronger body. Strong mind, strong body. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. Peace.